All right, guys, welcome back to the opening bell, streaming live from our Joburg office. I trust that all is well this morning. It's a Friday. We are wrapping up this week's trading with the CPI report later today. All right, so I'm sure you guys are aware that the US is going to release inflation data later on today. So we will be live on YouTube and going over the data and see how it impacts the market. All right. So this morning on the opening bell, there's really nothing much to talk about because we are waiting for the CPI data. So I'm just gonna do a bit of updates, all right, on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, as well as on gold. Okay, so starting with the crypto, Bitcoin and Ethereum, nothing has changed. The market is still going down. We're keeping an eye on that 1,750 on Ethereum. So if it continues to create this structure of lower lows and lower highs, we're definitely going to go all the way down, right? You look at Bitcoin as well. We're keeping an eye on that $60,000, and it has been slowly pushing down. It has been slowly pushing down. It looks a bit this move doesn't look a bit aggressive as the previous one. So yeah, there might be something that could happen here, but we'll see. Should there be any changes, we'll discuss those changes. But as it is at the moment, we're still anticipating more downside. So Ethereum and Bitcoin remains the same. And then you've got gold. All right. So gold, instead of pushing towards the upside, I mean, it tapped that zone 50.90. Instead of breaking towards the upside, it gave us an aggressive push down. All right. This was yesterday, an aggressive push down. So now we have a higher low. We're anticipating a higher low to form before we go up. All right. Now remember, the CPI it will definitely affect gold. It will definitely do that. So for me, I just want to see gold pushing above, breaking above this zone and going up, right? But if it goes down from here, we'll come back and discuss the setup because at the moment the market is still creating higher lows. All right, higher low, anticipating a higher low. Only if price breaks towards the downside, then we'll definitely talk about it. But let's see what the CPI will do. The market broke out of this, went down. So let's see what the CPI will do later on. All right. So guys, that is gold, that is Bitcoin, that is Ethereum. All right. Just a quick one this morning on a Friday, and we will reserve some for later on. All right. So that's it, guys. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Good luck. We will catch you again a little bit later. All right. Cheers, everyone.